When active Canadian traders look for a platform, two names come up most often: Interactive Brokers and TD Direct Investing. Both let you trade stocks, ETFs, and options on Canadian and US markets, but they cater to very different styles and experience levels. Choosing the right one depends on how much control, speed, and flexibility you need. Interactive Brokers, or IBKR, is built for serious high-frequency traders. It gives access to more than 150 markets globally, including stocks, options, futures, and currencies. The Trader Workstation platform is highly customizable, letting you set up advanced charts, multi-leg option strategies, and automated trading algorithms. Real-time market data, order book depth, and direct market routing make it ideal for traders who need precision and fast execution. Commissions are low and margin rates are competitive, which helps active traders manage costs while trading large volumes. IBKR supports Canadian accounts like TFSAs, RRSPs, and non-registered accounts, all in one place. The trade-off is the learning curve. The platform can feel overwhelming at first, but once you master it, it offers unmatched control and flexibility. TD Direct Investing, on the other hand, is designed for traders who want a powerful platform with a simpler, more familiar interface. Its advanced dashboard and TD Active Trader platforms provide streaming quotes, charting, and multi-leg options trading. Research tools and analyst insights are built in, and the integration with TD banking accounts makes transferring funds and monitoring your portfolio seamless. While commissions are higher than IBKR, the platform's ease of use, support, and educational resources make it accessible for active traders who prefer a guided experience without sacrificing essential trading features. When comparing the two, Interactive Brokers stands out for global access, low fees, and professional-grade trading tools. TD Direct Investing excels in user-friendliness, integration with Canadian banking, and reliable customer support. IBKR is ideal for high-frequency traders, complex strategies, and international exposure. TD is better for traders focused on Canadian and US markets who want advanced tools with less setup and a smoother learning curve. Both platforms give Canadian traders the power to manage their own investments. Interactive Brokers offers unmatched flexibility and cost efficiency for serious traders. TD Direct Investing delivers a balance of capability, convenience, and support. The right choice depends on your trading style, the markets you focus on, and how much control you want over your trading experience.